Are you ready to take your outdoor cooking experience to the next level? Out with the barbecue, in with the kitchens. Pacific Outdoor Kitchen's Uptown edition, manufactured in British Columbia, Victoria, Vancouver Island. Beautiful 550 Jackson Lux line. This thing takes a beating. You're sure to get the longevity out of this thing. Of course, has the built-in rotisserie, as well as the infrared sear station on the back there to get your rotisserie chicken cooked like a champion. 3 modular system. They all bolt together with 4 carriage bolts. Super convenient setup. You can see we got those 2 holes up in the back there and down on the bottom. So 4 bolts per unit. Super easy to plug and play this guy. We're able to set it up in virtually half an hour. The feet have about 1.5 inches of play, so you can set this thing virtually on any solid surface, and absolute breeze to put together. Come on down 1089 Braidwood Road. Check out the Uptown Pacific Outdoor Kitchen.